What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Tonight is special. Champions League Round of 16, second leg, FC Barcelona versus Newcastle United at Camp Nou. Outside the stadium, the energy is electric. Fans are chanting, waving flags, lighting flares, and filling every corner with Barça colors. The excitement is palpable. This is exactly what makes match day unforgettable, where the fans truly become the 12th player. Nights like these are pure football magic. Now, stepping into the stadium, the evolution is clear. In Gol Sur, the first decorative lamellas have been installed, forming a wave-like pattern inspired by the Mediterranean. It's already giving the stadium a modern, vibrant look. Structural cores and connecting platforms continue to progress steadily. The third-tier seating is almost complete, with accessibility spaces carefully integrated. VIP access points, staircases, and commercial areas like the Future Store and cafeteria are shaping up fast. Even the exterior LED lighting system is active, adding a spectacular look during night events. Sandwich panels, steel beams, and unfinished cores show that work is ongoing and momentum is strong. Key components for the compression ring are on site, signaling that the next major phase is about to start. Step by step, Camp Nou is transforming into a modern and iconic stadium. With construction progress clear, let's turn to the action on the pitch. Barça takes an early lead, only for Newcastle to respond immediately. It's a back-and-forth battle, with both teams giving everything. Barça scores again, Newcastle equalizes, and just before halftime, a crucial penalty puts Barça ahead 3-2. Fans are roaring, and the energy inside the stadium is unforgettable. The first few rows of Gol Norte still have visibility issues, something to fix in future upgrades. Away fan sections are packed with thousands of Newcastle supporters. Upper tiers and VIP areas show steady construction progress, proving work continues even on match nights. The second half is simply incredible. Barça dominates completely, scoring goal after goal. By the 73rd minute, Barça has scored 7 goals, turning the stadium into a celebration of football. Fans are in ecstasy, chanting, waving flags, and capturing every moment. The match ends with a massive victory, securing qualification to the next round. This night combines everything: fans, construction progress, goals, and football magic, making it truly unforgettable. The stadium itself is evolving visibly, showing us the future of Camp Nou step by step. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more updates on Barça and the stadium. See you in the next one.